But it was a mentality, because I remember, well, like when you had that major injury, and Bob Chick said, is this the end of Branch or whatever? You said, no, I'll be back at the Arnold and I'll win it. And this is straight after the Olympians. People are like, no fucking way, you're not coming back to the Arnold? No way, you'll never be ready in time. But the mentality got you there.
You gotta believe it.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna do nothing in life if you don't believe it. And when you gotta dream it, then you gotta believe that dream. And if you can't believe it yourself, ain't nobody else gonna believe it. You'll never do it.
Yeah.
It should end your career. That injury usually ends your career. I don't think anybody had ever come back 100% from an injury. That injury,
Especially not training the way that you train.
So then to come back, and then of course I set the bar constantly high, for myself. And when I said that, I remember saying that to Bob Chick, and I believed it. I meant it. I wasn't bullshitting. And I set out to do it, and I went and did it. And that's the thing in life. No one's ever done anything great without taking a risk. And my thing was, if I didn't go back and win that show and look the way I wanted to look, my career was basically done. I would have, I'd have been around for a little bit, but I was on the way out, and I wasn't ready to be out. Like I told Trish, I said, when I walk out, I'm walking out on my terms. When I decide to, not because somebody's forcing me out or some other some bullshit. I said, I'm gonna leave the sport on my terms, the same way I came into it, and I did.
Do you reckon, going back to that injury now, do you reckon that brought the best out of you? Like, you took it one step up a notch in regards to the conditioning?
I think, looking back on it, it's one of the best things that ever happened to me. People said, man, are you crazy? You tore your quad off the bone and almost ended your career. But sometimes the worst things that happen to you turn out to be the best things, because after I did that, and the hell I went through getting ready for it, because if you never had a knee surgery or a knee thing, it's one of the most painful things you'll ever go through in your life. Because I couldn't even walk, and I had to learn how to walk again. And then I got 6.5 months from surgery until I stepped on stage. And I know everybody was questioning, was he out of his fucking mind? I had surgery on Monday. The following Monday, I was back in the gym training. I came in the gym on crutches, and Johnny goes, "What the fuck are you doing?" So I'm getting ready for the Arnold. He goes, "You're a crazy fucker. Let's go." And we trained. And
Did you throw the brace off like a couple of weeks before the cops? Before the doctor told you should have taken it off?
I threw it in a river. I threw it in the North Platte River in Nebraska, man. I went deer hunting for a weekend, and I was still on the hunt. I had the hunting show, and I had an obligation to go up there. So I went up to hunt for a weekend, and I'm trying to walk, and I couldn't. Man, I was like falling down with the stupid brace. I got so frustrated. I was like, fuck this shit. And I took it off and I flung it into the river. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna either walk and get stronger, or I'm gonna fall and tear it up more. But I ain't wearing this thing no more. I got stronger, because by forcing myself to walk on it, like I did. Actually, I remember when I got home, I was walking so much better, and I was stronger in the gym too. Once again, you just focus on you, and if you want something, you gotta go get it. So, like I said many times before, ain't nobody gonna give you anything. But you can have anything you want. You go work for it.
When you think about it, you have that much more neuromuscular pathways going to that area because you're thinking about it, you're conscious of it, you want it to become stronger. like you said, you believe it, it fucking achieves it.
Yeah, the mind's a powerful thing. So that's where everything starts. No matter what you're going to do, whether it's training or overcoming something or whatever, you got to believe it. You know, if you don't believe it yourself,